Hey guys, I am sick right now, but welcome back to another video, and I've been wanting to do something fun. So I'm just going to open Python apps, and let's just go into here and let's make a new project. I've been wanting to make a calculator that messes with you. So we can do fake calc. Oh, I'm sick. I'm sorry, guys. Anyways, what we can do now is let's just make a main.py, and let's just do a number one is equal to an int of an input that says, um, what would you want your first number to be? And let's just do a dash. So if we just run this, we can just do one. Then we can just print number one. So let's run it again, and then it prints the number. See, whoops, three. There you go. There you go. Now what we can do is get like another number. Number two is equal to the int of the input. God, I hate being sick. What would you want your second number to be? Okay, and then let's just do number final is equal to number one plus number two. And let's print number final. And let's see what happens. What would you first, let's say a 3. Let's say a 6. 9, yep. 17, 177, 2000. 2177. It works. Anyways, now let's make it dumb. Let's make an array. Or actually, let's import random so that it can choose randomly. Let's say beginning words is equal to an array of like I think it is that. And let's just do I don't know, but it I don't know, to be honest, but I think it's yeah. There we go. Let's just do beginning final is equal to random dot choice of beginning words. And let's just do beginning final plus number final, and let's see what happens. 5, 5, 10. Can only concentrate string, not int into a string. I remember doing something like this a while ago, and I forgot how I fixed it. Line 11, yeah. Here can we concentrate string. Oh, here. String of beginning final. 5, 5. The int of these two, and then the string of this. So then we can take this away. Let's just run it. 5, 5. Actually, let's see if this even prints. I think it is. Yeah. Let's just do. I don't know. Yeah, so it's randomly choosing. Plus the. What if we turn this into a string? And just. There we go. I did it. Oh, okay. Now, let's do number final is equal to random dot rand int from, I don't know, 0 to number and all that. So then it's stupid, but the maximum it can go is the number that you chose. So then sometimes it gets right. Instead of like a random amount. Let's just do this. Let's say 6 and 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What will it be? It thinks it's 10. So now we made a stupid calculator. And to be honest, you could add as many numbers as you want. Like pretty much as you want. There's probably a better way to do this. Let's just do this. First, second, third, fourth, plus number 3, plus number 4. Whoops. Okay, then you just 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. It thinks it's 2. So from a random integer of 0 to whatever this max is, it'll just make a random input from this to that, instead of like choosing an actual random. Anyways, I just thought this was something fun to make. I might be making more things like this later on, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Sorry I haven't been posting much. And yeah, I'm sick. I'm not going to be posting that much. Thank you.